So continuing to show you the pruning work I'm doing on the Orange Dream Hacer. If you see, the tree is starting with a new look, keeping the shape I really want. So there are a lot of branches and leaves, we need to cut them. Mainly the leaves and the branches, they are growing on vertical position, so going up. So on a bonsai tree we shouldn't do it, and you shouldn't allow the tree growing since the bottom to the top. So we need really to cut them to make the branches, the big branches, stronger, right? So now is really looking so better now. So I'm keep doing with a very careful work. So is really a very nice and a very delicate work, but if you see, it's getting really beautiful. After I'm going to show you the old tree. So I think it's a lot better now. We just can work on branches, on big branches, on the mainly ones before the winter and during the springtime. So now we can do it. We can cut, bring a big branches. So it's a very delicate work, and we need to really be careful with that. So so it's beautiful. This Hacer, this tree, when it's flowering, the color of the leaves is orange. That's why we call them Orange Dream. So they are really, during the summer, they become green, and before the winter, in the autumn season, is gonna get orange as well. So it's beautiful. Só para traduzir em português, portanto, esta árvore, que é uma Hacer Orange Dream, como eu já disse, é uma árvore cujas folhas ficam de cor de laranja, por isso se chama Orange Dream, durante a primavera, quando começam a nascer. Aliás, quando elas nascem, vocês veem que têm aqui uma coloração cor de laranja, portanto, é visível que a cor é cor de laranja. É uma árvore muito bonita, portanto, mas neste momento, quando fizemos este trabalho, temos que ter cuidado para não fazer uma poda em troncos grandes.